Maxine Bricker. I'm from Chicago, Illinois, and I will be here for 3 months. The reason I volunteered here is because I've heard a lot of great things about it, and the work we do and the data we do is very good. So it was really great. The second day we got here, we actually were putting in data and doing dung transects and stuff like that, so it was really great to see us actually doing work right away. We wake up at typically 8 to have breakfast, and then we leave to the field at 8:30, usually doing data collection, stuff like that, and then we get back around 12, lunch, and we can't typically go out from 12 to 3:30 because the heat is too heavy and it's too strenuous. So we go back out around 4 and we do elephant observations. So we just collect data on how many we see, what behaviors they're doing, and then we come home, eat dinner, go to bed, redo it. My favorite thing about volunteering here is just being able to go into the jungle, like every day, go into the forest and walk around and see all the different wildlife. Seeing an elephant in the wild is pretty awesome. It's just really beautiful. Be able to wake up every morning and have just the views we have from our field house. It's great. If someone was thinking about volunteering here, I'd say come without a doubt. It's fantastic. You won't regret it. The work we do here is just fantastic, and it really helps, and you just meet fantastic people and get to have a great experience.